Men with strong masculine energy understand balance. Over-pursuing in dating makes you look weak and desperate. This video will reveal why chasing too hard can destroy your chances with women. I will break it down into 4 key points every alpha male must know. Before we go into the points, let us have a deal that you will like this video and subscribe to this channel. At any point you find the video very interesting or agree to a particular point made. Otherwise, you can still like the video and subscribe to this channel for no reason, just to support us. Let us now go into details. 1. It kills attraction. Women are attracted to confidence and mystery. When you over-pursue, you will make her gradually withdraw her interest. Texting too often, begging for attention, or trying too hard sends a clear message that you are needy. Neediness is the fastest way to kill a woman's attraction. A masculine man makes her wonder because he is unavailable and busy building his life. Women chase men who value themselves. So keep your frame strong. Do not give away your power by acting desperate. 2. It lowers your value. Chasing too much tells her you have nothing better to do. High-value men do not beg for validation. They set the standard. When you over-pursue, you are showing her that you lack options. A man with a mission does not spend all his energy chasing someone who is not showing equal interest. Always protect your time and energy. Women respect men who respect themselves. Be the prize. She should feel like earning your attention is a reward. 3. It creates unequal dynamics. Relationships thrive on balance. If you are the one always chasing, you are creating an uneven dynamic. This puts her in control and makes you look weak. Women do not want a man they can walk all over. They are drawn to leaders, not followers. A true alpha male knows when to pull back. Give her space to invest in you. If she is not meeting you halfway, walk away. You deserve a partner, not a project. 4. It leads to burnout. Chasing too hard drains your energy. It distracts you from your goals. This is why masculine men focus on their purpose first. Women want a man who is driven, not someone who is always available. When you stop over-pursuing, you reclaim your time. This makes you more attractive. This is why you have to focus on building yourself up. Let them see your value through your actions. The right woman will naturally align with your path. In conclusion, over-pursuing is not masculine. It is a weak and beta trait. Real men cultivate their purpose with their time. Stop chasing and start building your life. She will notice the difference and will come chasing you. Remember, alpha males always hold the power. Respect yourself, and she will respect you too. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.